Hey guys, BMPadrimo6 here, and this is my brand new Fit Aitken 2, and I'll do a BMX edit for it, and this is the bike check. So, new Fit 2012 plug-in bar ends, Fit OG grips, says Fit right there, brake lever which is hinged, which is nice, it's over here. Stock Fit fork with some Fit stickers. There you see Fit Bike Co. and then the logo. Sealed red front hub, really nice color. Fit Bike Co. 2.25 tires, which are nice and wide. Stock Fit bars, it says FBC, which stands for Fit Bike Co. obviously. Aitken 2, which is nice. And as I mentioned, 2012 model, so yeah. Fit top load stem. I'm not sure what kind it is, but it's nice. It's 2012 Fit PCP padded seat with embossed, as you can see in it, or embossed, I think they call it this year, Fit Bike Co. And it's a nice leather seat. It's padded, so it's nice. Pivotal seat post, which is nice. Integrated clamp, seat clamp. Diatech brake system, which is a lot better than Tektro, which my brother had on his bike, which sucks ass. So yeah, here's the cable hanger, which is better. See, as you can see here, if you press the brakes in, it doesn't hit the frame up or here. I just put a sticker right there so that same 2.25 with tread in the back, so they're actually wider than 2.3s, which are nice, and they're not Fit FAFs, but they're like them, so they're sort of a mock kind. Back double wall rim. I've had it for about a day and a half now, and there's only one silver line on it. It actually holds up really well. So yeah, good pick. Black spokes, as you can see, black nipples, and yeah, here's just the Revenge Industries back rim. And yeah, Tanwell Odyssey twisted pedals, which are actually really nice. As you can see in the side here, it has twisted engraved in it, and they're really cool pedals. I like them. Stock cranks, I think No Name. Fit CrossFit sprocket, 25 tooth, KMC 410H chain, 9 tooth driver, and a sealed 9 tooth cassette. Overall, I find this a very, very good bike for the price. It's better than the 2011 Fit Aitken 2. I really like it. That's why I chose it instead. I actually was going to get the 2011, but this is by far better. So yeah, I really like the color. The front rim is actually more dull of a red color than the back, but I guess it varies by bike, but since they're from different companies. So yeah, thanks for watching guys. As always, rate, comment, subscribe, and watch all my other videos. Thanks for watching.